The Mementos of the English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. April 3rd. Avoidance of Scandal. Archbishop Heath of York, 1579. He took the Oath of Supremacy under Henry VIII and accepted from him, in succession, the sees of Rochester and Worcester. Repenting of his cowardice, he opposed the innovations of Edward VI and was imprisoned in 1551. Under Mary, he was set free, absolved from his schism, and made Archbishop of York. On his refusal to crown Elizabeth or to take the Oath of Supremacy, he was disposed, and freedom of residence was offered him if he would assist at the Protestant services. But he declined the offer, and, "Why I decline," he said, "the council have often heard me say to Parliament, all of which may be summed up thus: whatever is contrary to the Catholic faith is heresy, whatever is contrary to unity is schism." And when the visitors said that he would not be required to receive communion, he answered that it is the same thing in reason to act a part of schism as the whole, nor would I that even my back should be seen where scandal might be given, since the heart cannot be read. He died in the Tower 20 years after his disposition, April 1579. The other bishops regarded him, it was said, as monks do their abbot.